Other new arrival, how about the 1940 Ford 85 Series Standard Business Coupe, fire engine red over red. This is a cool car. And hot rods are not in my wheelhouse as much as a lot of things are, but this one is just really cool. And it's got a 1948, late 40s, 239 cubic inch flathead with Edelbrock heads, dual two barrels. It's got 12 volt, 3-speed manual. It's an older frame on restoration, but man, this is one cool looking. That red, something about that red, because so many of them you see are in black.
Period colors,
period black
and gray and dark
that
blue.
Tannish, odd color that they came in. So to see one in red is unusual. And not every car looks good in red.
Right. That's true.
I mean, I don't look good in red. But, that's just me.